Well, if you're heading out for lunch right now, we are dealing with muggy conditions, also increasing cloud coverage across the area. Here's a look from the NBC 23 FAR Bureau. McAllen right now at 89, Harlingen 90 degrees, Brownsville 83. We are seeing an isolated shower moving through the Brownsville area, but those chances of rain are increasing as we head into the afternoon hours. We could see some flare-ups of isolated downpours, so expect that rain to start flaring up around the 12 to 1 p.m. hour, lasting at least through 4 p.m. and then diminishing in the evening hours. The good news is that we have our on-the-road game later this evening where McAllen Memorial is taking on the Mission Vets there. Coverage begins at 4 p.m. on NBC 23. Of course, join our evening team there. Kickoff 7:30 p.m. 86 degrees for those temperatures. We could see some lingering showers across the area, but by halftime 84 with calm conditions, just very muggy conditions in the forecast. As far as Labor Day weekend, we are expecting that rain to be in the picture for not just us here in the valley. The entire state of Texas dealing with some widespread showers and storms there. Highs in the low 90s. We're going to keep that rain chance at least through Monday, so definitely expect some very wet conditions. Right now, if you're heading out of town, conditions are looking quite clear from now for most of the state. There is some showers and storms just south of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. A few isolated stray showers along the Texas coast, but as we head into the next few days, we are going to continue to see a rather wet pattern in terms of the forecast. So rainy conditions expected for the southern half of the state through Saturday and Sunday. The bulk of our rainfall falling on Saturday and Sunday there. We have this low pressure system, this disturbance that's causing that disturbed and unsettled weather. But as we head into Labor Day, we are expecting that disturbance just to linger around, keeping those rain chances in the picture at least through the start of next week. And we are expecting those conditions to remain a bit on the wet side as we head into the middle of next week. So definitely expecting some rain. We still do need some rain in some locations. High resolution radar right now showing quiet conditions for the most part. There is an isolated shower moving just north of Brownsville and a few streamer showers along our coastal areas. But as we look at closer to Cameron County, we are expecting that rain chance to start increasing, especially in the afternoon hours. Usually that sea breeze front starts moving in around the 12 to 1 p.m. hour, and once that moves inland, we very well could see those isolated downpours move in and start flaring up, providing some localized flooding in some locations. So around the 3 p.m. hour, we could be dealing with those isolated downpours moving into Hidalgo County, as well as just lingering at least until 5 p.m. But keep that in mind if you are heading home from work or getting the kids from school around the 2 to 3 p.m. hour. Eventually, overnight temperatures in the 70s, rain chances diminishing. As we head through next Monday, we could see up to 1 to 2 inches of rain in some locations. Some areas could actually get up to 3 to 4 inches of rain as we go into the start of next week. The tropics fairly active right now. We do have a hurricane out in the Atlantic. Danielle has now increased to a Category 1 hurricane. It is in the northern Atlantic. Winds right now 75 miles an hour. The good news about this storm that it is expected just to linger and stay in the northern Atlantic, not posing a threat to the U.S. or any land there. It's just going to remain very just away from those populated areas. There's another disturbance out in north of South America, has a 70% chance of development within the next 5 days. Of course, we do need the rain, but not too much at a short amount of time because we could be dealing with that flooding concern as drought conditions are definitely improving here across the valley. For your 7-day forecast, temperatures in the low 90s. Labor Day weekend looking rather wet for the valley and across the southern half of the state of Texas, with temperatures on the lower side as we head into the middle of next week.